Strategy that we can use for a question like this is use the answer choices to your advantage, right? The question is saying what is the highest possible value of x. So if you look at the answer choices, the highest possible value of x can be 4. So what I'm going to do is start with 4, throw the 4 in for the x, and if it works out, great, that's my answer. But if not, I'll keep going to the 1, then I go to -3 and then -6. So let's start with 4. That'll be 2 times 4 squared plus 10 times 4 minus 14. And I'm going to see if that equals -2. So 4 squared is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 10 times 4 is 40, and I'm going to subtract 14, right? 32 plus 40 is 72, and 72 minus 14, there's no way that's -2, so I'm going to cross out D. D doesn't work. Now let's hop over to 1. It'll be 2 times 1 squared plus 10 times 1 minus 14, and if we get, let's see if that equals -2. So 1 squared is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 10 plus 1 is 10, minus 14. So 2 plus 10 is 12, and 12 minus 14 is -2. So that's my answer. See how 4 didn't work out. 4 was the highest possible value of x out of these answer choices, but the next highest possible value of x, which was 1, worked out, so 1 is my answer. Now, let's also figure out how to do this problem without actually using the answer choices, and I think it's important as well. So let me rewrite this. So first thing I'm going to do is set this original equation right there equal to 0, and I can do that by adding 2 there and adding 2 there. So it'll be 2x squared plus 10x minus 12 equals 0, because remember I added the 2 from here over here to set it equal to 0. Now see how there's a 2 common amongst all of these terms? So let's pull that 2 out, or essentially divide everything by 2. So that'll leave me with x squared plus 5x minus 6 equals 0. Now you want to kind of factor it out, so draw your parentheses out like that. The first number must multiply to x squared, so this and this will be x. The last number must multiply out to -6 and add up to 5. So that's going to be x plus 5 and x minus 5 will equal 0, because 5 times, sorry, not 5, 6. My bad. So that should be 6. Okay, and you can see how 6 times -1 is -6. And 6 minus 1 would be 5. So now once I have this, sorry it's getting a little bit messy, but once I have this, I can set individually, let's do it over here. So I can set x plus 6 equal to 0, and I can set x minus 1 equal to 0. So over here the answer would be -6, and over here it would be 1. So 2 possible values would be -6 and 1, but 1 is the highest value between these two, and 1 was the answer. So that's why the answer is C.